Welcome, Mark. We're very excited to hear all about the new Gourmet shelf sinks from Elkay. Tell us a little bit about how you guys came up with the design.
Well, the design is actually the Gourmet, part of our residential architecture, is part of our Gourmet family. You know, people are looking for something that goes with a lot of different types of styles within their own kitchen so that they can actually accessorize around it so that they can then, you know, put their own style within their own kitchen.
What is so special about these new Gourmet shelf sinks? Because the shelf is the new part of the combination, correct?
That is correct. Now, Elkay is the only manufacturer to be able to actually incorporate a smart support system within our stainless steel kitchen sinks. And what we've done is that we've positioned the smart support system about 4 inches from the top of the sink and incorporating it into our work shelf so that it gives them the freedom to really position wherever they want to within the sink. It can hold up to 25 pounds. And at 25 pounds, whether it's a defrosting turkey or a roast, you can actually position it at the corner or the side of the work shelf and feel comfortable that it's not going to fall through.
It's not a fixed shelf.
No, it's totally removable. And one of the nice things about the smart support system design is that it doesn't compromise the size of the compartment. So that here again, what fits at the top fits at the bottom, and we don't compromise the size of the sink by incorporating the smart support system into it.
Educate us on the two different depths of the bowls. There's an 8-inch, which I understand is kind of the sweet spot of where Elkay customers like the depth of their sinks, but emerging is a new 10-inch depth that's gaining popularity.
That's true. As people start to get larger stock pots and cooking sheets, they need a deeper sink. They can personalize the products based on not only the depth of the sink, but also the configuration that we're going to be offering within.
Tell us about the different models that you're bringing to market in 2009 for the Gourmet family.
Actually, we have 3 different configurations. The first one happens to be a double compartment sink. Each compartment has its own work shelf incorporated into each compartment. Then our second one happens to be a undermount double bowl as well, but here what we've done is we've actually enlarged one of the compartments front to back. And we also have a companion single bowl that can be used in your island as a prep sink, or it can be used in a bar or hospitality area.
Mark, there are some legacy or historic features of the Gourmet sink family that are unique to Elkay. Tell us about those.
Our lustrous satin finish is built through a series of steps that we put into the finish itself so that it's a very enduring finish and very durable, and actually it gets better with age. Also, we have our SoundGuard sound package, which is a thick spray on the outside of the sink compartment combined with heavy, thick pads to dampen sound. And then also our bowl geometry, where we have tight radius corners, not only on the vertical corners and the horizontal corners, but also incorporates a very flat bottom. And the grid pattern was selected because it complements the geometry of the bowl and is designed for its rigidity.
Mark, stainless steel has such a wonderful environmental story. Tell us about that.
The steel that we use in the manufacturing of our kitchen sinks, 80% of it is coming from recycled material. Now, the nice thing about stainless steel is that it's a very sustainable product. And you talk about a green story here in that, you know, stainless steel sinks will last as long as you want.
What should we expect to invest in a new Gourmet work shelf sink system?
The price range on the new Gourmet work shelf sink system ranging in price from $600 to $1,200, and that includes the cost of the stainless steel work shelf.
That sure seems reasonable for a product that's going to last how many years?
As long as you want it to.
If we were going to explore more information about the Gourmet shelf sink, how would we go about doing that?
Well, the best way is to go onto Elkay's website, elkayusa.com, keyword gourmet.
Thank you so much for joining us, Mark, in the Elkay Innovation Studio.
Thank you, Ann.